A 22-year-old amateur trader sat in a dark bedroom, entered a single keystroke, and accidentally liquidated an entire cryptocurrency empire. Videos telling these kinds of high-stakes financial stories frequently pull in millions of views. Today, we are going to decode the exact metadata that makes those videos perform and use AI to reverse engineer that success into a completely original, highly profitable video of our own. To execute this workflow, you need 3 specific tools. First, a link to a target YouTube video in your niche. Second, an AI text model with live web access. And third, an AI text-to-video generator. By combining these 3 elements, you replace random content creation with a mathematically backed, repeatable system for targeting specific YouTube audiences. Step 1 is data extraction. We start by finding a high-performing video link within our chosen crypto or finance niche to serve as our baseline target. The most common failure point here is simply pasting a link into an AI chatbot and asking for a summary. If the AI is not explicitly forced to read the actual page source code and the video transcript, it will hallucinate the metadata, giving you useless information. To bypass that, you need to use this exact prompt. We instruct the AI to analyze the URL, extract the core niche, pull the primary and secondary hashtags, and map the exact structure of the creator's description. The AI will return a cleanly structured list. It isolates the high-traffic primary hashtags that drove the target video's initial reach and separates them from the secondary, long-tail tags used for niche search ranking. At the same time, the AI breaks down the target's description layout, showing you precisely how the original creator balanced their keywords, links, and text formatting to satisfy the algorithm. Extracting this data blueprint directly from a successful video removes all the guesswork. You start your production process with a proven map of what the algorithm is currently rewarding. Now that we have the extracted tags, step 2 is reweighting them so they fit the context of the entirely new video we are about to create. To safely format your YouTube description, follow the 3-line rule. Line 1 requires precision. Embed your primary keyword into the first sentence. Line 2 is for context. Weave secondary keywords into a supporting sentence. Line 3 is for direction. Insert a clear call to action. Whatever you do, never take the raw list of hashtags we extracted earlier and dump them into your description as a massive, unformatted block of text. Unstructured hashtag dumps are recognized as spam by YouTube systems. Doing this triggers automated shadow bans, quietly hiding your video from the recommendation feed without notifying you. Utilizing the 3-line framework safely signals the algorithm. It categorizes your video for maximum reach without tripping the automated spam filters. Step 3 bridges the gap between data and story. We feed our newly optimized niche data back into the AI to draft a 60-second narrative script. We give the AI a specific studio direction to match our target audience. Write a suspenseful script about a young trader spotting a microscopic flaw in an algorithmic stablecoin. You must prompt the AI to output this script in a split 2-column format. You need the directorial visual ideas isolated on the left side and the spoken voiceover isolated on the right. The opening 5 seconds of the generated text must plunge the viewers straight into the action, no introductions. Just the immediate tension of millions of dollars hanging in the balance on a single screen. This specific hook structure retains viewers in the finance niche because it presents a high-stakes mystery that requires them to watch the rest of the video to solve. A mathematically perfect description and flawless SEO are completely useless if the script's first 5 seconds fail to deliver on the niche's core emotional trigger. Step 4 is technical execution. We port the approved voiceover text into our chosen AI video generator. When selecting the audio profile, choose a documentary voice style. The narration must be steady and serious to match the intellectual thriller tone of our script. Once the software generates its first pass, you will notice a common amateur mistake. The platform fills your video with generic, irrelevant stock footage. Never accept the first visual draft. This requires manual intervention. Select the Edit or Swap Media function in the timeline to purge those generic clips. Replace them by entering highly specific prompts based on the visual column of your script, like the glowing red crypto charts from our opening hook. This manual visual curation takes time, but it is the exact differentiator between a cheap-looking automated short and a premium documentary asset. The final rendered output delivers on the promise. The audio tone is tense, the visuals are highly specific, and the hook instantly establishes the stakes of that tiny flaw. You now have a cohesive package ready for upload: a premium rendered video, a highly targeted title, and an SEO-compliant description built on proven data. Executing this process once yields a great video. Repeating this exact data-driven workflow 5 consecutive times trains the algorithm exactly who your audience is, establishing your authority in a brand new channel.